Hello students, in today's video we are discussing about important chapter of economics in standard 12, that is money and inflation. So in this video we are discussing about first topic, that will be our barter system. So what is a barter system? Barter system is that in ancient time, like before common era, when the century does not invented, in that time human wants, goods and services are very limited, so among themselves known as a barter system. Now we are understanding the meaning of barter system. Barter system is a exchange where the goods or service without money or exchange without any system, known as a barter system. Like for example, X person having 100 kg rice, and Y person is also having 100 kgs 100 kgs weight. So they both are, they one having, X person having a rice and Y person having a weight. So both of them exchange those things and get another thing. So this system known as the barter system. I hope you understand the meaning of barter system. Now what are the problems of the barter system? First, mutual adjustment. A person who is needed a rise is does not always mean a person who has always wanted to give the wheat. Other time they are also seeking for other things, and also for that mutual adjustment there will be a bigger problem. Then storing values in a barter system, the mainly those creature like a plant, or either it should be animal, become the medium of exchange or become the money. For that time they could grow or they could be destroyed easily, so storing value has been very low. Then measurement value, how we measure money. In the money measurement, either we know that 60 rupees is 1 liter milk, 1 liter milk. But at that time when the money was not invented, how we measure things, that will be a also bigger problem. That's why the barter system come to the end. Origin of money and development. अब money, how the money is invented. So जब when the barter system end, why the barter system end? Barter system end for urbanization and industrialization. That's why the barter system came to the end. Now we are seeing the origin and development of the money. Human wants are limited. Human wants at that time very limited, where the humans are not seeking for the cars. They can travel by themselves. They traveling by their own foot, and then that's why the human wants are limited. But barter system having the animal and vegetable that are perishable goods. What is the perishable goods? Perishable goods are very easily time destroy. Now here you see the timeline where we mentioned first come barter system, then come coin, then come paper money, then come plastic money, and then come e-money. And now we could easily see the Bitcoin also in the market. So that's how the money involves. Now, another topic, there will be a meaning of money. What is the meaning of money? Money is a money meaning. So, money is a medium which use as a means of a exchange without any doubt or investigation, regardless of time and place. No matter where we are, no matter what time it is, no matter what place it should be, but we can buy or measure any value. So these things as a known as a money. Now we are understanding what is money and how the money work. So in this chart, in the pie chart, you can see over here, you can understand money used as a medium without any doubt or investigation, without regardless of time and place, use as a exchange of something as a medium known as a money. This definition given by the Marshall. Now we are understanding about what very easy definition. It will be said that what is accepted universally as an exchange of a goods and service known as a मनी, यानी कि जिसको हमने सबने एक्सेप्ट किया है यूनिवर्सली, इट इज़ नोन एज अ मनी. नाउ वी आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग अबाउट फंक्शन ऑफ मनी. What are the function of money? Function of money is a medium of exchange. Now anything we wanted to buy, we can buy with the medium of a money. Then we have store value. What is the store value? We can store money as long as time. Now you can see, if you have a 1 lakh rupees, you put in your cupboard or your locker, it save for a 2 3 years. That does not even care about the getting destroyed or something. Then we have measure value. Anything we want to measure, now we are measuring values of everything. You see the concept of MRP, maximum retail price. So this concept are possible through the money only, huh? Without money this concept are not been possible. There are no possibilities of this thing happen. So that's why there are also bigger issues for us. Now we are discussing about types of money. How many types of money are there? There are commodity money, metal money, plastic money, animal money, paper money, and banking money. So commodity money and commodity money is like in a barter system that happen. Then metal money is the coin. Plastic money means credit card, debit card. Animal money is also type of barter system. Paper money, that advanced money. Then we have to use the notes, and the most commonly used the in the world as a form of money is a paper money. Then we have banking money, the check, draft, and now e-money also. That is a participation of the money. Thank you for today's video. We are discussing about inflation and characteristics and causes of inflation in next video. Until and unless there's, please revise your concept. Please revise this concept also, and focus on the goal oriented examination. Your 12th examination should be an important examination for you, and hopefully you should like this video and subscribe to my channel for more content. Thank you.